Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add products to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to editor.wix.com. Make sure you're already logged into your Wix account as well so that you can always go back ahead to your website and get ready with the tutorial. Once Wix has already loaded, all you have to do this time is hover your cursor to the left side. In here, click on plus add elements. Once you click over here, you will see all the other options. Now look for video and music. Or maybe content manager. But what we're looking for is store. So once you find the word that says store, all you have to do is click on it. But before everything else, we need to go to marketing and analytics. First is we need to click on go to Drive Marketing Home. This will open a new window. All you have to do this time is wait for the window to finish loading once again. This might take long, so bear with me. Now once the window has fully loaded, this time go to Store Products on the left side, and then click on Products. Now wait for the website to load once again. This might take long. Yep, for now, let's just wait for the website to finish fully loading. In here, there is an option that says plus new product. Just tap on it, and then tap on physical product. This could be physical or digital, depending on what product you want to market and add. In here, wait for the website to load once again. Might take long, but it should be all good once it's done. Once the website has fully loaded, all you have to do this time is input the details of your new product. Untitled product for now. All you have to do is type in whatever the product is. For this example, it will be glasses. For images and video, you of course need to add proof or like images on what it looks like. And then when you scroll down, there is a description as well. In here, add a description on how it's made, when it was made, or any other description important for your product. Go ahead, take your time in typing. I'll be here waiting. And then once done, scroll down. In here, it's time for pricing. All you have to do is put in the price, from the cost of goods, the profit, and the margin. Then scroll down once again. You can really customize everything in here. And once you are satisfied with your settings, all you have to do is tap on the save button in the bottom right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.